866-945-2700. Available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you'll find our email and website information. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases, we have group pricing available for individuals who can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It tells YouTube to share my channel content with other people looking for vacation information. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is going to be about the Disney Dream, my experience on the Disney Dream, and I can tell you is if you love Disney World, a Disney cruise is second to none. Characters everywhere. It's just Disney just does it right. They treat you special, and as soon as you're on the cruise, you say to yourself, "When am I going to get on the next Disney cruise?" Take my leap on the Disney Dream, went to Disney's private island, which was fantastic. And yes, I already did book a cruise to Disney Wish, and that will be August 2025. Please take a look at the video, and I'm sure I'm going to add more to it, which you don't know so much in the video. I hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. For all your vacation needs, give me a call before you book on your own. I have, my prices are either the same, if not better, but I always enhance every vacation that I do for my customers. So you always get to get more from me than you do. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. I can't even see it because it's... Alright, here we go. Disney Dream, balcony cabin 6560. Let's take a look and see what we see. Oh, very nice. Stations located on decks 3, 4, and 5. You'll find the exact location and directions to your assigned assembly station. Look at all the little details there on the lamp. This information is also
Disney Cruise Line Navigator app. Please take the time today to become familiar with the route to your assembly station. Your assembly station is also
Phone.
printed on the front of your
Nice little detailed lamp with the boats on it.
In the unlikely event of an actual emergency, go immediately to your stateroom, put on your life jacket and warm clothing, and proceed to your assembly station. Remember to bring any critical medications with you. Once outside your stateroom, signs displayed in the corridors and staircases will direct you to your assembly station.
Very nice.
You'll also find
What do we got?
along the way to assist
Nice
you.
cabinet.
During an actual emergency, the ship's elevators are not operational, so please remember to use the stairs. Especially trained crew
Drawers.
guests who are not able to climb stairs. Once you reach your assembly
Another
station, you will
hair
meet
dryer.
crew members who will check you in.
Nice chair.
And give you additional information
Love
and
the bag.
instructions. Should you happen to feel unwell at any time during your cruise,
Refrigerator.
note that we have a health center on board, located on deck 1 forward, with operational
Very good.
hours posted. If you should require assistance outside of operating hours, please dial 0 from your stateroom telephone, and that team will assist you. All of us on board Disney Cruise Line are dedicated to making your cruise a safe and enjoyable
The usual.
experience. If you have any safety-related questions, your stateroom
Cabinet. Nice closet. Oh, there's our safe. Some drawers down below. Laundry bag. What do we have in this? Oh, okay. 2 doors. Watch your step.
Welcome aboard.
Oh, very nice. Oh, get to see me.
Thank you for taking a moment to review some important
Very nice.
information.
Look at that. You get a whole tub.
Your emergency drill does not require you to wear your life jacket.
Shampoo. Nice, nice, nice.
Need your help and cooperation in watching this video to ensure that your voyage is as safe as possible. During this video, we will demonstrate the proper method of donning a life jacket.
I like the whole separate bathroom setup.
You will find life jackets for each if you are in need.
Oh, look what's hiding out down here.
Provided, please see your stateroom host or hostess.
I didn't even see that there the first time.
Infant, talk to your stateroom host or hostess.
Oh, look, so we got more stuff here too.
Keep in mind that
Lots of drawer space.
safety features and should never be used unless in the case of a real emergency. So that the life jacket feels snug.
I always love opening up the balcony door.
Collar and ensure that the life jacket
Let's see if I can figure it out. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Oh, perfect. We're right between 2 lifeboats. That means nothing is obstructed. Excellent.